to my channel, guys. So today I'm gonna do something different for you. I'm gonna do sorrel, beer, french fried chicken, guys. Yes, sound weird, but you're gonna see. Very nice, guys. Very delicious, guys. May I tell you, really nice. So before me get into this video, just like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a granny, tell a uncle. Just like up the video, guys. So if you want to know how this done, continue. So watch. Guys, me have 2 pound of chicken in the container here, guys. Me a little flour in this, and me a flour in this. So in this a flour, guys, me go season this a flour with some Maggi season, guys. And me a pour a little beer in this a flour here. This, guys, sorrel beer, red stripe sorrel beer, guys. My favorite. Me a crack 1 egg in it, guys. So now me go whisk this, guys. Me a make a batter to put the chicken in a. Yes, we see. If it's too thick, guys, I can add more beer to it. Finish making batter now, guys. So the next thing now, me I go put the chicken in the batter, then it go in the flour, then it go in the oil. The oil is on the stove heating now, guys. So I'm gonna show you the process of how I'm gonna do this chicken. So now, guys, me go dip chicken in the butter, and then just stir around in the butter, guys. Then I'll put in the flour. I'll continue with the process until they finish. So now, guys, you're getting dirty. You're going to shake off the excess flour. I put in a clean container, repeat that step. So now, guys, the oil is hot, so I'm gonna place the chicken in the oil. I'm gonna fry it each side around 10 minutes. In the process, you will see how it looks. After 10 minutes on the first side of the chicken, oh my god, golden red texture color, looking so delicious, guys. These fried chicken can go with rice and peas, a little mashed potato, with a salad, anything that you want, guys. Looking so delicious. Guys, when they finish fry, you will see the finished product, guys. Guys, just like the video, subscribe, comment, share it to the auntie or uncle to share the video, guys. Yes, guys, the chicken is now out of the pot, guys. Golden red color, guys. So delicious, guys. Guys, just like up the video, subscribe, leave your comments down below and tell me what you like me to do, guys. Tell your auntie, your friend, your uncle to send them over my channel, guys. Just like up the video, guys. Until next time, I am out.